Hello class, I welcome you all to this session. This session we're going to look into exercise problem 70. ABC are partners in a firm. Net profit of the firm for the year ended 31/3/2017 is 30,000, which has been duly distributed among the partners in their agreed ratio of 3:1:1. So this 30,000 is distributed as 3:1:1. So we will calculate that how much it comes. So 30,000 divided by 5 into 3, that is 18,000. 18,000, 6,000 and 6,000. So this 30,000 wrongly distributed in the ratio of 3:1:1. Okay, so we're just calculating 18,000. How much is that? 6,000 and 6,000. So just a rough calculation. We'll keep this in mind. It is discovered on 10/4/2017. Since I've read this problem, I know that this is a wrong profit. Okay, now listen to this. It discovered on 10/4/2017 that under mentioned transactions were not passed through the books of accounts. So it is discovered on 10/4/2017 that the under mentioned transactions were not passed through the books of accounts of the firm for the year ended 31/3/2017. It's a mistake. See, they didn't do these transactions without doing appropriations of these transactions. They have just straight away given what is the profit, and they have distributed in the ratio 3:1:1 to the partners, which comes to 18,000, 6,000 and 6,000, which is wrong. So now we need to rectify that. So interest on capital 6% per annum. The capital of A, B and C is 50,000, 40,000 and 30,000. So it's a opening capital because they nothing given as balance or things like that. So we are assuming it to be opening capital. So I'm just calculating what is the interest on capital here. 50,000, 40,000 and 30,000. 6% is the total we are getting here. 3,000, 2,400 and 1,800. Pause the video, copy it down. And next will be interest on drawings. They have just given the interest on drawings. So 350, 250 and 150. Salary A, B is given. So 5,000, 7,500. So these things, and commission due to A is 3,000. So after providing for all these things only, the profit is to be calculated, and that only is to be distributed among the partners in appropriate ratio. But they have not considered all these things. Now we have to consider all these things. So interest on capital is given, and profits is also be given. So we can do the profit P&L appropriations account also. We can prepare P&L appropriations account, or straight away we can do with the total amount of interest on drawings. Interest on capital will reduce the profits. So we are deducting. Interest on drawings will increase the profit, because interest P&L appropriation account, you will credit the interest on drawings. So total interest on drawings is how much? 350 plus 250. 150 will be 500, 750. So totally 750 you have. Okay, so total amount is 750. Then salary will reduce the profit. I'm sure that you are following this. Salary would reduce the profit. How much is the salary of A? Is 5,000, B is 7,500. Totally it comes to 12,500. Commission. What is the commission? Commission is 3,000. Will also reduce the profit. So reduce, I'm just showing it in the bracket. So what is the profit after these appropriations? 30,000 minus 7,200 plus 750 minus 15,500, which comes to 8,050. So this is the correct profit. This is to be segregated in the ratio, that is 3:1:1. So we will segregate this. Correct profit is 8,050 after appropriation. Segregated in the ratio 3:1:1. So 8,050 divided by 5 will be 1,610 and 4,830 for A, B and C. So you got my point here. So correct profit after appropriation is 8,050. We are dividing in the 3:1:1. So so 8,050 divided by 5 into 3 will be 4,830, and 1 will be 1610. So A, B, C. This is the right profit, this is the wrong profit. So what we have to do, we have to prepare a statement for adjustment. I hope that this is clear. Statement showing adjustment. Okay, so A, B, C total. Okay, A, B, C total. Interest on capital is to be credited. Now we have to look into the capital point of view. In capital account, interest on capital is to be credited. Am I right? In capital account, interest on capital is to be credited. How much? 3,000, 2,400, 1,800, total 7,200. Interest on drawings will be debited. Okay, so it should be debited 350, 250, 150. Total 750. Salary is to be credited. Whose salary? A and B alone. A 5,000, B 7,500. No salary for C. So total 12,500. Hope it's clear. Then commission. Commission for A alone. Commission is to be credited in the partner's capital account. So 3,000. Total 3,000. Then profits needs to be credited in the partner's capital account. So how much is the profit that needs to be credited? Correct amount 4,830, 1,610, 1,610. Totally 8,050. So this is the correct distribution. So what is the correct distribution? Total of all these things. 3,000 minus 350 plus 8,000 plus 4,830. So I'm getting 15,480. Similarly, if I do, I will get 11,260. 2,400 minus 250 plus 7,500 plus 1,610. I'm getting 11,260. Similarly, 1,800 minus 150, add 1,610. I'm getting 3,260. So total of this would be 30,000. Okay. Now what is the wrong distribution? The wrong distribution is 18,000, 6,000 and 6,000, 30,000. So wrong distribution, I am showing it in the bracket. Now with this we have to calculate wrong distribution 18,000, correct distribution is only 15,480. The difference is 2,520 which needs to be debited. 2,520 debited. Similarly, correct distribution 11,260. Correct distribution you keep it as credit balance. Wrong distribution you keep it as debit balance. Now this is a excess debit balance, so I am writing debit. Now here there is an excess credit balance of how much? 5,260. Excess credit balance. Here also there is an excess debit balance. So 2,740 excess debit balance. Total is 0. So credit 5,260, debit 2,520 plus 2,740 debit. So your journal entry should be tallied. So I am writing the journal entry, that is the adjustment journal entry. Okay, so debit, so A's capital account, C's capital account, to B's capital account. Credit, how much is that? 5,260. Debit, A 2,520 and 2,740. So total 5,260. So this should be the balance. So please write the format of the journal entry correctly. Without that